Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make silica gel. First, understand that silica gel is a powerful desiccant, meaning it readily absorbs moisture. We'll guide you through the simple steps to create your own at home. This involves combining specific ingredients to form a gel, then carefully drying it to achieve its moisture-absorbing properties. It's a fascinating and practical project. To begin, gather your essential materials. You'll need a sodium silicate solution, often called water glass, and a strong acid such as sulfuric acid. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves and eye protection. Use a non-reactive container, like a glass beaker, for mixing to prevent unwanted reactions. Precision in measurements is key for a successful outcome. Now for the exciting part. Slowly add the acid to the sodium silicate solution. Stir continuously as you add the acid. You'll notice the mixture thickening and forming a gel. This gelling process is crucial. Once formed, wash the gel thoroughly with clean water multiple times to remove any remaining acid. This step ensures the final product is safe and effective. After washing, it's time to dry your silica gel. Spread the gel thinly on a baking sheet and bake it in an oven at 100 to 120 degrees Celsius for several hours. The drying process removes all the water, leaving you with hard, porous silica gel beads. These beads are now highly effective at absorbing moisture. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.